in a world that never stops moving. We pause to reconnect, to breathe, because nature has always held the answers. To remember where true beauty begins. Ancient wisdom carried through time. Now meeting the technology of today, wellness isn't a destination. It's the way we live, how we love, how we restore balance between body and spirit. It's strength, it's energy. It's choosing to feel alive every single day. At Zenyra, we unite herbal insight with modern energy innovation, creating a path to sustainable wellness, designed for those who seek more than beauty, but harmony. Because when wellness grows from within, beauty is effortless, natural, enduring. Zenyra, nature is the essence of true beauty.